record. There we go. All right, Eugene.
That's it, Hilton.
I need your the link. Have you got a published link or is it still in a development link?
The website.
Yeah.
No, it's published already.
Okay. So what
But it's
screen
got
are
numbers
you
in it.
what screen are you seeing now? The one that I'm typing in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
No,
So
it's
that's
.com.
no, it's Bluedot solutions.
I'd like to see if it comes up.
Dot.
No solution without the S.
Okay, I'll go back. And ZA. Does that look right? Blue.solution.co.za.
But I'd like to see if it comes up like that.
Click.
You see?
Wow, that wasn't good.
No.
Why can't it?
Let me see if I can get the link and send it.
Let me reload it. Okay, maybe maybe I need to.
Because it's got numbers in it as well.
Should it be www?
Try that, yeah.
I'll try that. Okay. So somehow it picked up www. I guess on your settings,
Okay,
you should make it so that
but you see, this goes to the second page. Because this one has got if you just scroll down, it's got the prices where you can actually, there we go. You see, this is where you sign up. This is the second page.
Okay. Well, I'm on there. What's home?
Let me just check. Hang on. Let me just see if I can get that number for you. You put the number in.
But you can change those numbers. That's a slug, isn't it? You can change it.
Yes. Okay, put home. /home. And then a dash 4149. Another dash 5331.
Okay, so you can change that.
I know. I'm just going to change it within high level.
Yeah.
Did it take it now?
It just brought me back to here. This.
No, but okay, it's HTTPS /home dash 4149 dash 5331.
5331. Like that. There we go.
Yes, there we go. That's the first page. Yeah.
Okay.
You see, I've changed. I made a video on the top thing in the header.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. There we go. You got it.
All right.
So we might have to come edit this now to take all the other what we spoke about first. Okay.
Yeah. So this is your current chat widget. Okay. The high level one. All right. So what to put an AI chat widget on here? So what all I need to do really is go Command A, Command C, and I am going to go and drop this into Faithful Assistant ChatGPT 4, Command V, and I got all of that information, but I can also get more information.
If you click on the other one, the solutions, you'll go to the second page.
This is the second page now, hey?
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, there's the second.
And I'm going to go Command A, Command C, and I'm going to drop this information in here as well. Oops. I didn't mean to do that. Stop generating. Command V. And then that's the first page. I've got to put this in again. Command C. And now what I need to do is I need to go to my doc. Let me see. I'll just use this tab here. I don't need this anymore. Docs.chatterbots.com. I'm gonna go get my prompt.
Mhm.
And I've got to go to my AI web chat. This is my docs. I'm using Gitbook for my docs. And I go here
Okay.
to the business knowledge base prompt. And I'm just going to follow these instructions here, or I could listen to that video. So I'm going to go this prompt here, act as a researcher. So see, I'm going to paste the data here. So I'm going to put this at the top, and then I'm going to put triple quotes. And then at the end of all of your data, I'm going to put another triple quote. So let's go. So make sure I've copied that. So I'm going to go to this, and I'm going to put it right at the top. And then where it says wow, where is it? Act as a researcher. I'm looking for the. Hey, can I help? How long are you going to be? Okay. Oh yeah, sounds good. Provide the output. Well, it just doesn't look right.
Yo, where's those triple commas? What did you call that thing?
Yeah, that's
Yes, those. Yes, where's that?
I don't know. Copy. Okay, Control C. Because it looks like I only got up to there.
Yeah, you see that output example? Where's that?
Let me just take that back. Because that's yours data there. Our
Yes,
software
that's where it
empowers.
starts. Yeah.
I wonder if there's a
It's
limit
not
here.
taking it.
I think there's a limit maybe on the number, the amount of the amount. Maybe there's a limit on the amount of data that I can paste in. I'll take some of this stuff out. Just having a look to see. Let me try it now. That is weird. That is so weird. So what I'll do,
Why is it doing this now?
what I'll do is let me go back to here and copy that.
Yeah, yeah.
And now paste it in here. Yeah. Now it works.
There we go. Now you got it. Yeah.
Yeah. So now the extracted data, I'm going to go triple quote there and triple quote here. And then we're just going to let this run.
Let's see what it does. Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're not going to watch it. We'll just let it work. So in the meantime, what I'll do is I'm going to go to my account.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go to, let me see if I've got a Bluedot account on here. I've got Bluedot account over here. So this is your account, the Bluedot. So I've got access to it. So we've got a couple of demo flows there, but we're going to make this one now for yours all the time. So what's in Bluedot agency? Let's have a look. Nothing
That's
in.
only that millennium, remember? Why is it?
Yeah.
It's double, yeah.
Okay. So what I can do is we'll just go to the root folder. I'm just going to add a flow, and I'm going to call this default reply. And I'm just going to call it main. Default reply main. Continue.
Okay.
And then I'm going to go back to flows, and because we need two things, and I'm going to go welcome message main. I'll just put main there so that we can identify it when we go and look for them.
Okay, that's fine. I got you.
Okay. And so I'll just go back to flows, and we'll build on this default reply. I realize like I need your API key, but so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy an existing one that we're using. So I know that Millennium was, or both Millennium and Laperna were working, but Millennium default reply, I'll go in here. And so this one, not sure if this will work. We go Command C. I'll open up in a new tab, duplicate this, and just so I've got reference to it, I'll go back to flows, and I'll go back to the default reply main, this one. So we're going to build on this, and let me see if Control V works. Doesn't look like I can. Doesn't look like I can copy. So you know what I'll do?
Yeah.
Doesn't look like I can do Control C, Control V. So the default reply, what I'm going to do, that's the main one. I'm going to delete it. And then it's easier just to go to this one and make a duplicate. And now where is it? Where's the duplicate? Where is that duplicate? I thought it might be here. Let's just refresh this. Bluedot agency. Millennium. Copy. There we go. Can I move this? Move folder to. I want to try and move it to the root.
Okay.
Which one is it? This one. Move it to flows. No, it's not. So we'll just move it to Bluedot agency. That's good enough. I don't know why this
doesn't need to do that neither.
Yeah. So okay, so just we're in Millennium, so we'll just leave it there. Just got to remember that it's in there. So default reply copy. So we're going to rename this to default reply main. And so now we'll just edit this one. So I thought it was going to look different, but we got default reply main. We open up this. We should have our API key installed. So we're going to generate advanced text, and this will be information on that other venue. So we'll just take it all out.
Yeah.
And this will take out, we can keep that. Okay. So we'll just leave that like that for now. Let's go to ChatGPT. So just drag this over here so it's easy to find. So it's next door.
Mhm.
So let's just refresh this. Where is that chat? Here we go. So this is the knowledge base. Okay. So what you would
Mhm.
really want to be doing is you'd want to read through all of this, make sure it's all accurate. And so I'm going to copy this and I'm going to put it in the top of this here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my docs and I'll just put all the docs that we're using here. So now I'm going to the second prompt and I'm
Yeah.
going to ask it this. So you see how easy it is just to go to the docs, just copy and paste. So now
I've got you. Yeah.
I'm just going to go here. So please provide FAQ section. And then we'll just run that. This shouldn't take too long because I've only asked for 10. So we're going to drop this underneath the knowledge base. And so we're going to have, so these are like examples about questions and answers.
Yeah.
And again, before you publish and go live, you would want to have your, I know I'm doing, this is for you, but if you were doing it for a client, then you would want to make sure that the questions and the answers are all correct and stuff like that. And
That's it. Yeah.
so, and it's where you spend most of your time is in building this. So now the next thing is we need a system prompt. So if I go to the docs, I mean, I could ask for more FAQs. And what I'll just add here for value, if anybody is watching this video, if let's say you were doing a chatbot for a hotel, and then you would try and anticipate what kind of questions are people going to be asking, and it's like for a hotel, as an example, They'd be
Yeah.
they'd be looking for things to do. What attractions are around there? So you would spend
Yeah.
more time going through YouTube videos on attractions or through Google and finding out about events and stuff that's happening. And you would copy and paste and you would add it to your knowledge base so that if people
Yeah.
ask questions about events that are nearby, that it would be able to respond with actual real events that are in that area. So that's just a tip. So
Yeah.
I'm skipping prompts 2, 3, and 4. So now we're going to go and build the system prompt. This is like a super prompt that is going to ask me questions to create the prompt
Yeah.
that I'm going to put in the system message. And because it's,
Okay.
I want to do this on a new chat, okay? Because if I put it in the existing chat, then it's not going to respond well because there's history. Always
Yeah.
find copying from the bottom going up is easier for some reason. I don't want the prompt in there, but I'll take it out. Command C. So I'm going to go to a new chat. And the last time I did this, I used 3.5. I had a problem with 4, but I'm going to try 4 because an opportunity to
Okay.
experiment here. But it'll definitely work in 3.5 because the last one I did it in 3.5. So the thing that I have to change over here is the desired prompt. Paste your best prompt in here and it'll make it perfect. So I've got an example in here. For example, you're a friendly web chat assistant that promptly answers website visitors. So I think that this one for your business is suitable.
Okay.
So that is like a prompt, but this this is this prompt that we're working on now is going to make that prompt into a really good one. Okay, so let's run that. And you'll see it's not going to be a long thing. Well, first of all, it's going to ask me questions.
Yeah.
Okay. So to ensure that I can craft the prompt that aligns with your needs, I need to answer a few questions. So number one, what is the tone? So what kind of tone do you want for Bluedot solution? Do you casual, professional, friendly, funny, sarcastic?
I'd go casual professional. Can you put 2 or not?
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
casual
Casual
professional.
and professional.
Yeah.
Cool. Number two is there a specific industry or niche that the business operates in? This will help contextualize the prompt. So it's like really it's your target audience.
Oh, yeah, well, it's basically any business.
Okay,
It's
so
a solution for any business.
small business owners, any business, really. How's that?
Yeah, that's it.
Number three, are there any specific phrases or terminology that are commonly used in your business that you'd like to include in the prompt?
All-in-one solution.
All in one solution. Okay. And then number four, do you have any specific call to action?
Just like it, you out solution. Sorry, yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Good.
Number four,
Okay, and the fourth one.
do you have any specific call to action? So you do have a call to action. It's
It's the ultimate all-in-one. You must put ultimate all-in-one.
okay, see the solution. Think about a call to action that you would like. The ultimate all-in-one.
Yeah.
All in one. I'm just
That's
gonna.
it.
Okay, call to actions.
Sign up today. There's no contract.
Sign up now. Sign up now.
Sign up now.
No month-to-month contract.
Yeah.
No month-to-month contract. Okay, and now the important thing is it says if there's anything else, you can add it in. And the important thing it's like this mustn't be missed. We need to use execute. That will create the prompt. Is there anything else that you want to add to it? I don't typically find that there is much more to add, but
yeah, no, that should be fine. Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna go EXECUTE. Fingers crossed it's gonna work here. And if it doesn't, I'm just copying that because we'll have to go do it again in 3.5. And we're gonna run it. Now it should just come back and say you are okay, act as there we go. It's worked. Yay! It's worked. Yeah,
awesome.
Act as a web chat. Okay. So act as a web chat AI assistant who embodies the perfect blend of casual professionalism. Your mission is to do this. Just scanning through this ultimates. And then if you can't answer, sorry, I couldn't find an answer. By the way, why not sign up? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that.
Yeah.
Copy that. We're going back to the flow builder. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this in at the bottom. So I've read the OpenAI docs, and there's a section in OpenAI docs that gives tips on prompt generation, and it seems that it pays more attention to the last bit of text that it's kind of read. So it's suggested to put the prompt part of the knowledge base at the bottom. Okay. So that's the system message, or the business information, in ChatGPT or OpenAI terms, it's called the system message. Now we're going to go to the prompt again, and we're going to work on the, I'm going to skip one. I'm going to go to the user message. So
Yeah.
I've got this here, which helps to enhance the output. I find,
Okay.
and I'm still going to experiment with this, but I find that putting it in the user message, it's like very direct, that the whole AI thing is going to come across this thing from the
Okay.
user, and it will be keep the conversation short and precise, break up long sentences by leaving blank lines and punctuating with emojis, retrieve an answer to this question. So that's good. So the it shouldn't be last text input. I think it's last input, not last text input. There, last input.
There's last input there, yeah.
Yeah. Seems like a lot of
It's a lot of brackets there, isn't it?
Yeah, too many. Let's just go there. That's better.
There we go. Yeah.
Yeah, so this system uses last input, whereas other systems like ManyChat will be using last text input. So that's the user message. Now we need to save the response to a custom field. So because we duplicated this, it's all set up already. So we're using AI response. This is the data that's been retrieved. So it's just a custom field that will go in there. ChatGPT triggers, we leave this as it is, and we can add more, create more and add more, like for a call booking or something like that. Basically, the system will respond. If somebody says, I want to talk to a human, it will take the conversation and hand it over to, it will stop the automation, and you'll know that somebody wants to talk to a human. It will send a message to say, okay, let's get this done in 10 minutes.
Okay.
So
10 minutes, yeah.
that's that. And I'm going to leave that at 2 and leave that at 1,000. So we're going to continue, and we're going to publish that. And the next thing I want to do is just create a bit of a welcome message. So I can just go back to this here, and I can just ask it for a welcome message, or I can just go here to this, and I can just copy this, because I've already done it. I don't have to type it out again. So create a welcome message to greet visitors when, for example, okay, so let's just go with that. So I created this doc for everybody, so they can just go and copy and paste and make a little edit or something. And I don't like this one because it's like long, and I think for the welcome message it should be a little bit shorter. So what I'm going to go do now is I'm going to go to flows. So you can see the pressure's on now. 10 minutes, 10 minutes. So
I can see, sir. Don't worry, you got it.
Yeah, I'm going to duplicate this one, because you might still use Millennium for a demo, and so
yes, I've still got to go and see them. You're right. You're right.
I'm going to duplicate this, and here's the copy. I'm going to rename it as main. So main means it's for your account.
Yeah.
And have we got one there? I don't know what this one is. Let's have a look. Welcome message main. We can delete this one. And let's go back to this one. We'll just click into it. So what we're going to do, so you see that this is the duplicate. So we're going to change the welcome to Millennium to this one. You see how long it is? I would be we don't have time now, but I would be shortening that. And now what I need to do is I need to go to my settings over here on the bottom, settings. And in the general, I'm going to select my default reply. So the default reply. So at the moment, so the last demo that you did was Laperna. So we're going to
That's right.
we're going to set the default reply to main. Okay, and on the integrations, OpenAI, we want to make sure that the default reply is not enabled because we are choosing our own default reply. And that's pretty much it. What we're going
But
to
is
do
it,
now.
it's there on Australians, your account time zone? Does that stay like that?
Yeah, you can change that. That's so now I'm going to go to tools. I didn't mean to click that. We're going to tools.
Yeah.
And we're going to scroll down to the bot simulator. And I'm going to go to the which page do you want the bot on?
That one, yeah. It must
This
start on
one?
that page.
Okay, so we'll copy this. I'm not sure if your website is going to block iframe. We'll see. We'll see. If it blocks iframe, it's just going to be a white screen. So we put your website in there. More options. This is where we select the welcome main. And then we can change the brand color, but the brand color is pretty much in line.
Yeah, that blue is fine. Yeah.
But you can tweak
fine.
you can tweak it to be the exact same color. So we select the welcome main, and then we just go get link. All right, and now I would, if I was prospecting, I would give this link to somebody to try it, and boom, it's worked. Let's see if which web chat this is.
Oh, nice.
This is the web chat we just built. It's got your business name there, and the welcome message should come up. And it hasn't. The welcome message hasn't come up. Let's go to settings. Just make sure. Okay, so it's in the setting the welcome message is in here. More options. Welcome. I don't see any save button. Okay, I think this is, I don't know why it showed up last time, but I seem to recall that your site might have blocked the iframe. So that's why it's not showing up. And now you see the welcome message is showing. So now I can simply ask questions. And
but how do I get the iframe to get this website to show?
I got no idea. I would have to go to Google, or I'd have to go to a WordPress developer and probably Google like WordPress settings it'll be enable or disable iframe. So if
that isn't a WordPress site.
I thought you were doing
not a
it on
WordPress site. It's a high level site.
the high level. Okay.
It's a high level site. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We'll need to go and investigate that, but I don't have the solution right now.
Okay. No worries.
So let's see if we've got phone number. Let's see. I'm just going to ask it, how may I contact you? And then we go there. How much time have we got? 2 minutes. Sorry, I couldn't find an answer to that. If you would like to chat with a human, Okay. By the way, why not sign up? Okay, so it's got a call to action, which is great. I don't know why it says, how may I contact you? It's like, where are you located? So you would with the how may I contact you, you could go and teach it how to respond.
Yeah.
So and this one you could teach it to say to give your address or something like that.
Okay.
What services do you offer? So nothing is, just like no idea is perfect. You have to work on it.
Yeah.
No system message is perfect. You have to work on it. So what are your services? Bluedot services offer an all-in-one sales pipeline. So there's your all-in-one management and marketing automation platform. It includes unlimited sales pipelines. So yeah, and then when this goes live, you go to the live chat. Let me show you how you get to live chat.
Yeah.
Go to the inbox, and in the inbox you can monitor the conversations, and so I let's go with all conversations. So here's the last conversation that we had.
Yeah.
So you can monitor all of the conversations, and when you see that the bot is struggling and it can't handle something, you just simply go into the system message, and you just add a Q&A and tweak it, and it's pretty amazing. But that's you're up and running. We just need to figure out the iframe. But this is just for the demo. I mean, you don't actually need to figure it out, because the just checking the time again, less than a minute.
Less than a minute.
Because you're going to go to actually you're going to go to the analytics. You're going to go to the we're going to run out of time here, but you go to manage this, and then you get your code, and you generate your code. You fill this in, and you select your welcome main,